Have you seen this? There's this wild new trend quietly taking over YouTube. Creators are racking up millions of views with these amazing before and after renovation videos. But here's the crazy part. They're not actually doing any of the work themselves. Nope, they're using AI for the whole thing. And in this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it's done.
Okay, just look at this number, 90,000. That's how many subscribers one of these new channels is about to get. They are growing so fast, and it's easy to see why, right? We all love that satisfying feeling of seeing a space totally transformed. But how are they pulling it off this quickly?
With just 62 videos. I'm not kidding, that's it. 90,000 subs from 62 shorts. This isn't just a one-off thing, it's a completely new, incredibly efficient way to make content, and we're about to walk through the entire playbook. So here's our game plan. First, we'll get a handle on the trend itself. Then I'll show you the 4 key tools you're going to need. We'll go step by step through creating the brief, the core generation loop, and putting on the final polish. And to wrap up, we'll talk about what this all means for creators going forward. All right, let's really get into it. These channels are doing more than just getting a ton of views. They're actually making money. You can tell because when you see that super thanks button on their videos, it means they're officially in the YouTube Partner Program. This is a legitimate business model, and it's powered completely by AI. So you're probably thinking this must take some super expensive, complicated software, right? Well, you'd be wrong. The entire workflow from start to finish just boils down to 4 apps that anyone can get their hands on. No fancy editing suites needed. And what's really cool about this setup is that each tool has one specific job. You kick things off on Pinterest to find your before shot, that old cabin or a dated kitchen. Then you take that image over to ChatGPT to basically write your script. Vids AI is where you make your starting after image. And finally, YT Create acts as your all-in-one studio for animation and editing. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Step 1. It all starts with one single picture. Seriously, you just hop on Pinterest, search for something like old cabin, and find a before photo that looks interesting. That picture is your foundation. It's the starting block for the entire video. So once you have that image, you pop open ChatGPT. But, and this is a key detail, you don't just start typing. You use a custom tool called the Restoration Timelapse GPT. You just upload your picture from Pinterest, and this thing does all the heavy lifting for you, spitting out a perfect list of prompts that become the scene-by-scene instructions for your video. All right, now for the real engine of this whole thing. This is where we take that list of text prompts from ChatGPT and start creating the actual visual magic, one clip at a time. First things first, you grab only the very first image prompt from that list ChatGPT gave you. You paste that into an AI image tool like Vids AI. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for a perfect vertical video, and just generate your starting after image. Think of this as your visual anchor. And this is the secret sauce. Inside the YT Create app, you kick off a really simple, repeatable loop. You upload an image, you paste in the next video prompt from your list, and you generate a little clip. Then, and this is the most important part, you screenshot the very last frame of that clip you just made. So, did you catch that? This feedback loop is everything. The screenshot from the end of clip number 1 becomes the starting image to make clip number 2, the end of clip 2 starts clip 3, and you just keep going. You're basically chaining these AI generations together, which is what creates that smooth, evolving transformation. It's brilliant. So once you've worked your way through every single prompt from ChatGPT, you'll have a whole bunch of short little clips. Now comes the easy part, stitching them all together into a finished video. And the YT Create app makes this last part an absolute breeze. You just add some simple transitions between your clips to make it all flow nicely, pick your video quality, and hit export. You can even upload it straight to your YouTube channel from right inside the app. The whole process, from that first idea to the final upload, is all right there. So, we've gone through the how-to, but let's zoom out for a second. What does this all actually mean? Because this AI-powered workflow, it's not just some gimmick. It really points to a huge shift in what it means to be a creator today. Just look at this breakdown. The traditional super technical skills like operating a camera or doing complex video edits, they're being replaced. The new skill set is all about being a director. It's about having a strong creative vision, being good at curating prompts, knowing which AI tools to use, and honestly, having the patience to tweak and iterate till it looks just right. And this quote really just nails it. The thing stopping you from making great videos isn't your technical skill anymore. It's not about how expensive your camera is. It all comes down to the quality of your idea. The tools are there for everyone now. The real difference is your creativity. Which leaves us with a really fascinating question to think about. When AI is doing all the heavy lifting, the animation, the editing, all the technical stuff, what does that make the creator? Are we curators? Are we directors? Visionaries? It's a whole new world out there, and workflows just like this one are only the beginning.